Hey everybody, Brandon here with Pressure Perfect AZ. We're out here at a job right now and I wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of our equipment that we have here to help you out with any of your pressure washing needs. We have a 225 gallon water holding tank that'll pull the water from the spigot at the house, residence, commercial property. That'll fill up and it'll feed it to our pressure washer, the Honda GX 630. On top, we also have our diesel powered hot water burner that allows us to heat up the water to up to 200 degrees, help out with any oil stains, gum, tough tire marks that may be soaked into your concrete over time, especially with Arizona heat. We do have a handful of different chemicals to help out with those applications and getting rid of those tougher stains, gum, tire marks, oil, things of that nature. Today we're out here at this property. We're going to be doing the driveway, the back patio, as well as the pool decking around the pool. So once again, just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of what we got going on here at Pressure Perfect. If you need anything at all for any of your pressure washing needs, pet sanitation needs, COVID-19 sanitation for your personal residence or your business, please give myself a call. My number is 602-980-8917, or you can reach Austin at 602-315-6368. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.